Hello everyone. Again I am talking on the new chapter of current electricity, that is delta to star and star to delta conversion. Sometimes you will come across the circuit combination series, parallel, star, delta, etc. So for the calculation of the total resistance, so either you have to convert star to delta or delta to star to bring the circuit in the standard form. So you must know this technique also. It is called the reduction technique, like series, parallel and star delta. So first we should talk about delta to star, how to conclude the total resistance with the help of this. Suppose that three resistances between 1, 2 and 3, they are connected in delta, named as R12, R23, R31. And side by side, they are converted into star, taken as R1, R2 and R3. So the first solution is resistance between the points 1 and 2, you get it. So in the first figure, resistance between 1 and 2, suppose that it is obtained. So stretch the circuit between 1 and 2. Left hand side you will get two resistances in series, that is R23 and R31. Right hand side of the figure you will get one resistance. Both are in parallel. Left hand side resistance you add, because they are in series, they will become R23 plus R31. Right hand side R12 will be in parallel to the sum of both. So finally, product of 2 divided by sum of the same you apply, you will get R12 into bracket R23 plus R31 is taken as one resistance and R12 is the other, divided by sum of all the three, just like 2 group is 1 and R12 is 1, like that they are added together. And star side, 1 is to be removed, R1, R2 you consider, R3 is removed. So that is equation number 1, you got it. Similarly, resistance between the points 2 and 3 also, you stretch the points 2 and 3, you will get R12 and R31 in series, R23 will be in parallel. Again R12 and R31 they are added together. R23 will be in parallel to the sum of both. So they will be again calculated, but considering 2 in parallel, R23 outside, R12, R31 in the bracket, divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 is the second equation, you got it. And the last, resistance between the points 3 and 1, that gives you stress 1 and 3. Left hand side you will get R31, right hand side 1 and 2, R12, R23. So like that. So again both are added, R12 plus R31, and R31 will be outside the bracket in the denominator sum of all the three, equal to R3 plus R31 is equation number 3. So here what you have to do, the conclusion, subtracting equation 2 from 1 and adding the third, we get the required equation. R1 plus R2 minus R2 plus R3 plus R3 plus R1, these star equation they are added and subtracted. Similarly, the same you do for the delta equation and open the bracket. R1 plus R2 minus R2 minus R3 plus R3 plus R1. Now the negative positive terms will be getting cancelled, R2 minus R2, R3 minus R3 plus R3 minus R3. So 2 times R1. Similarly, right hand side also, if you open the bracket, you will get R12, R23, positive negative cancel. R23, R31 also positive negative cancel. Right hand side also you will get 2 R12, R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 in the denominator. 2 get cancel. So you can declare the result. Star resistance R1 in terms of the delta resistances are R12 divided into R31 divided by sum of all the three is equation 1. Similarly, R2 will be equal to R23 into R12 divided by R12 plus R31. R12 plus R23 plus R31 you will get. That is equation number 3 of the concluded equation. And R3 will be equal to R31 plus into R23 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 will be the third required equation to convert delta to star. Thank you. Jai Hind. Please subscribe my channel.